In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly embed Twitter content onto your Wix website in just a few easy steps. Whether you're looking to showcase a specific tweet or your entire Twitter timeline, embedding this content can enhance the interactivity and engagement on your website. Let's get started by heading over to the Twitter Publish tool. It's best to do this in a new browser tab to keep everything organized. Once you're there, you'll need to log in to your Twitter account. If you're already logged in, you might be prompted to authorize access or continue to the next step automatically. Now, in the designated box that says, "Please enter your website URL," you're going to enter the URL of the Twitter profile or the specific tweet you wish to embed. Once that's done, go ahead and click the right arrow button. At this point, you'll be presented with a few options for how to display your Twitter content. Here, we want to select Embedded Timeline. This option will allow you to either show your entire feed or focus on a particular tweet. You can also customize the appearance according to your website's look and feel. Adjust the width, height, or even the color scheme to better fit your website's design. Once satisfied with how it looks, the next step is crucial. You'll want to click on Copy Code. This action copies the HTML code necessary to embed your selected content style directly from Twitter. Now, with your copied code ready to go, switch back to your Wix editor. Here, we'll proceed to the left side of the screen where an Add button resides. This button is your gateway to integrating external content into your site. Click on Add Elements, and from the expanded menu, select Embed Code. Among the choices presented, opt for Embed HTML. This option will create a box wherein you can paste your previously copied HTML code. Paste the code into the provided text box. Once pasted, the initial display won't instantly show the tweet or timeline. But don't worry, it's there. Just click Update to refresh the element. You should now see your embedded Twitter content come to life on your Wix page. Finally, you might notice that the embedded section doesn't perfectly align with your site's layout. No problem at all. Simply adjust the size of the HTML box to fit your desired layout. Drag the corners or sides to stretch or compress the box, ensuring a smooth, integrated appearance with the rest of your content. And there you have it. With these steps, your Twitter content is now part of your Wix site, ready to engage your visitors. This integration not only keeps your site dynamic, but also keeps your audience connected with your latest updates and tweets. I hope you found this guide useful and that it helps enhance your website. Thanks for watching, and happy embedding!